Hello, this is your gentle farmer, Edu Abibiu. You want to start farming or you want to go into animal farming, but you don't know how to start. So this is the part 2 of the video I made. How to go into animal farming. You should know the type of system you want to go into. Is it battery cage system? Is it deep litter system? Or is it semi-intensive system? As I said earlier, when you are going into farming, 50% of your production cost goes into feeding. If you have the resources and you want to go into large scale, I'll tell you that battery cage system is good. But if you are now starting, I will admonish you to start with deep litter in order to understand the processes you are going through. Don't just invest your money into a sector you don't understand. If not, you will lose your capital. Farming is very good, I can tell you, and it is more profitable. You also have to know the kind of production you want to do. Is it broiler, which is meat, or you want to do layers, which is eggs? So you should know whether you are going into meat production or you are going into eggs production. Apart from that, which area is it suitable for me to do this farming? If you are doing meat production, you need to choose a good area, because at the end of the day, the marketing aspect of the meat will become a problem. For eggs, the demand for eggs in Ghana now, I can tell you, is very high. So if you want to go into animal farming, especially poultry farming, meat production is good, but eggs production is very high. Please, if you see this video, kindly like. You can follow me on YouTube, Edu Abibiu Enoch. And please, kindly share. Another thing is,